I dash a student. I am a student. She dash a doctor. She is a doctor. They dash playing cricket. They are playing cricket. He dash watching TV. He is watching TV. He dash my friend. He is my friend. She dash singing. She is singing. They dash hungry. They are hungry. He dash tall. He is tall. We dash friends. We are friends. The bird dash flying. The bird is flying. The children dash happy. The children are happy. The table dash clean. The table is clean. She dash very kind. She is very kind. The cat dash sleeping. The cat is sleeping. She dash reading a book. She is reading a book. He dash my brother. He is my brother. You dash very kind. You are very kind. She dash my classmate. She is my classmate. They dash very funny. They are very funny. He dash in the kitchen. Is. He is in the kitchen. We dash ready to eat. Are. We are ready to eat. The cat dash very cute. Is. The cat is very cute. The bus dash on time today. Is. The bus is on the time today. I dash hungry. Am. I am hungry. The phone dash ringing. Is. The phone is ringing. The flowers dash beautiful. Are. The flowers are beautiful. He dash very strong. Is. He is very strong. They dash my classmates. Are. They are my classmates. My mother dash cooking dinner. Is. My mother is cooking dinner. I dash reading a storybook. Am. I am reading a storybook.